Everyone wants the fastest way to learn a language. You download all these apps, spend hours tapping your screen, and still you can't speak or actually understand real people. I tried all of them too. But after years of struggling, I finally found one app that actually made me fluent. And the crazy part? You already have it on your phone. It's YouTube. I used to think learning a language meant studying harder. More hours, more grammar, more effort. But every time I talked to a native speaker, nothing. I couldn't understand them and my brain just froze. I wasn't learning how the language actually sounded. I was just learning about the language. And that's when everything clicked. The people who were fluent weren't studying at all. They were living in the language. Watching, listening, reading every day. And YouTube gives you all of that for free. You can watch native speakers in any language. Cooking shows, vlogs, podcasts, news. Everything you need to absorb how real people actually talk. That's when I stopped treating YouTube as my entertainment and started treating it as my language classroom. Here's exactly how I did it. Step 1. Find channels in your target language appropriate to your level. Step 2. Turn on subtitles in your target language, not in English. Step 3. Watch every day, even if you don't understand it first. Don't pause every second, just let your brain get used to the sound. Step 4. Rewatch the same video multiple times. You'll be shocked how much you understand on day 3. Step 5. Take the most interesting and useful sentences and put them in your Anki or flashcard app. Do this for 1 hour a day, and within a few months, you'll understand real conversations. That's exactly what I did with Spanish. 6 months of massive YouTube input. No grammar books, no apps.
Hoy en día con mi español, he escuchado tanto, he leído tanto, español ahora es parte de mi vida.
Just hours of listening to real people. And one day I realized I could understand everything. The sounds that used to feel impossible suddenly just made sense. My speaking improved automatically because I'd already heard each phrase so many times. Now, every new language I learn, I start with YouTube. It's my most powerful tool. This app can make you fluent in any language, but not by magic. By giving your brain the input it needs to do what it's built to do. Learn through exposure. Don't scroll mindlessly. Find content you love. Music, stories, vlogs, and make it a part of your daily life. When you do that, you're not studying anymore. You're living in the language, and that's when fluency starts to happen automatically. This method has completely changed the way I've learned every single language. If you want to see the exact system I use from input to output, watch this video. And remember, YouTube isn't just entertainment. It's your free language classroom. You just have to use it that way.